The Organization of Persons with Disabilities is advocating inclusive budgeting that will take care of the needs of their members. They say it is the only way to provide for their specific needs and education and healthcare services, Helen Osamede-Akins reports.
Many Nigerians are still battling with the effect of the removal of fuel subsidy by the federal government, especially marginalized groups like PWDs, the women and youth. The removal policy led to the increase in the cost of fuel and basic goods and services. Government, in its efforts to cushion the effect, provided a salary increase for civil servants. Those persons with disabilities says they have not been carried along in these interventions, despite their calls to be included in the federal government palliative committee and intentional efforts being made to cushion the effect of the subsidy removal for its members. As the country prepares for another budgeting year, they want the federal government to work towards disability-inclusive budgeting.
It is important community like this should be taken into consideration, given the fact that everywhere in the world you see special needs of people with a disability.
The lack of inclusive budgeting in our budget practice hinders the effective implementation of inclusive policies, which in turn affects social protection of persons with disabilities in dire need of social security.
Today, they are engaging the Chairman House of Representatives Committee on Disability on issues that affect them. He assures the community he will pursue their recommendations for speedy implementation.
During President Buhari, he had what is called the Vulnerable People's Fund. And the National Health Insurance Authority is supposed to insure everybody that is in that group. The bottom line now is that that fund, when it's not there, two, nothing is being done about that.
PWD Association believes the continuous neglect of their community violates the policy of inclusive governance. Helen Osamede-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.